Hello, and welcome to our video on the mechanical code of DNA. This is Science Maniatics, and I'm Alana, your correspondent for today. DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid, is the genetic material that makes up all living things. It's like a blueprint that tells our cells what to do. It's made up of 4 building blocks called nucleotides, which are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These building blocks are often referred to as A, T, G, and C. They are arranged in a specific order called a sequence that makes up the genetic code. But did you know that there are physical properties of DNA that are important for its function? These properties include the structure of the double helix, the stability of the base pairing, and the elasticity and flexibility of the molecule. The double helix structure is formed by the base pairing of A with T and C with G, which holds the 2 strands of DNA together. The stability of the base pairing is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the genetic code. The elasticity and flexibility of the DNA molecule allows it to be replicated and transcribed, which are necessary for cell division and protein synthesis. Recently, an international team of researchers led by Durham University in the UK discovered something new about DNA. They used a special DNA sequencing technique called loop-seq to show that the specific sequence of bases along a section of DNA determines how bendy that section of DNA is. The researchers found that certain sequences of bases make the DNA more bendable, while others make it less bendable. This is important because many processes that occur in cells, such as replication and transcription, require the DNA to be bent in specific ways. The researchers also found that something called methylation, which is a chemical modification that DNA bases are routinely subject to, can change the mechanical code of DNA. Methylation is a process where a methyl group, made up of 1 carbon and 3 hydrogen atoms, is added to the DNA molecule. This chemical modification can affect the bendability of the DNA, depending on where it occurs. This is important because it suggests that biological development programs, and even diseases like cancer, might be achieving a part of their effects on cells by altering the information encoded via the mechanical code. The researchers expect this knowledge to guide future therapeutic and bioengineering developments. For example, understanding how methylation affects the mechanical code of DNA could lead to new cancer treatments that target the methylation process. Additionally, understanding the mechanical code of DNA could also lead to new methods of manipulating DNA for biotechnology applications. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new about DNA today. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. While we don't know everything about DNA, we do know that the possibility to change a person's DNA isn't on the horizon, but here. One can only imagine what this will mean for mankind itself. How do you think this new information about the mechanical code of DNA might be used in the future? Can you think of any other ways in which the mechanical properties of DNA might be important? Do you think this research could lead to new cancer treatments? Should we continue developing and growing technologies that have the capability to change a person's DNA? Whether this technology will turn out good or bad for us is yet to be seen. What other questions do you have about the mechanical code of DNA? Let us know in the comments below.